Okay guys, we're going to carry on down a little bit now. Avenida de Osbifa. First thing I want to say is went to Harry's Bar today to check out these tapas they do. Deal is 12 tapas, jug of wine, sangria, jug of beer. 12 tapas. I think I said that, didn't I? Yeah. For a tenner. €10. Buddy's bar. We did that for dinner. We went in there with the impression we're going to do 3 lots. So yeah, we'll get plenty to eat. Guys, we did 1 lot and we're stuffed. Absolutely brilliant. Recommend it. Go and have a look at the video if you don't believe me. Again, I didn't get all the dishes on there. We got, there was 2 or 3 missing. Still, all 3 of us are absolutely stuffed. You can't be that for a tenner. Anyway, here we go guys. There's the night and day. That will be back open in March, I think it is. Now, I'll just come down this way to have a look, see if something's back open yet. I think that's going to be March before that's back open. The weather is getting better in Benidorm at the moment now. Had quite a few nice days. So if people start coming over, I dare say it'll be open before then. Okay, we're going to have a look at Helios there. We're walking down that way. Well, I'm really running out of places to film at the moment. Oh, the Helios. Has any of you guys stopped there? Let me know if you have. This looks a really nice hotel. It's going to be one of them that is really nice, or is the food there? Is the food good in there or not? I mean, we've stopped in places before where we've gone in, the hotel looks absolutely brilliant, and you get poor food. I'm not saying they have got poor food in there, I'm just saying I've never been in there, so. Hotel looks fantastic. That's what we need to know. You guys stop there. Let's know. Sure it'll be fine, it is in most most places in Spain. Even if you're a bit of a fussy eater, you can usually find something you want. We've got children maybe that don't want to try stuff. There you go, there's the pool. Nobody in the pool today. If the pool's in sun all day, I'm sure it's warm enough now. Might be a little bit cold going in, but yeah. Saying that, we've been sort of paddling in the sea all over January and February, obviously. There's Jokers. That's due to reopen, I think that's in March, no, the end of February, I think. Get the new season going. It'll probably all be March. Once I got everything sorted out. Guys, if you're over in Benidorm, when Joker's back open, go and try that. Good shows on in there, and it's pretty good the way they've got it set out in there, to be honest. First time we'd really been in there last year. Yeah, probably ended up one of our favourite bars. That's some of the stuff I got on. And they're back open. And of course the Meatloaf tribute act. I think they're on that side. Sure they'll be back. One of the best shows in Benidorm still. President Day. Another great hotel. That looks really nice inside as well. Metal filming in there. Had a little bit of a look round. And we used to do a bit of extra work on the films. Looks really nice inside. There we are. And pull that back down a bit. Meeting place over the road there. Got a few in. I'm sure these bars, if they could, they'd rent the sun. Go in the bar all the time. Bars with the sun on are making the money at the moment. Bars without the sun are struggling. Yeah, I'll darken that down a little bit. The outback. It's open at nights. Yeah, can't wait to see that back out, back open properly. All the bars. It's just sort of drifted down here today. I'm not doing anything in particular. Just drifting where we're going. The red line there. And they're waiting for March as well. It's back open. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.